Hello guys, welcome to City Money. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to copy your wallet address on Trust Wallet. If you are coming across this channel for the first time, in this channel I talk about crypto related stuff and how to make money online. So if it's something you'll be interested in, you can click the subscribe button, turn on your notifications to all so that you'll be the first to get notified each time I upload a new video. And in the description of this video, I'll be leaving my WhatsApp channel link. So make sure you join my WhatsApp channel using the link in the description. So before I proceed, I would like to clear this misunderstanding between contract address and wallet address. So guys, contract address is totally different from wallet address. So your wallet address is controlled by your private key. What are your private key? Your seed phrase, your private password that you create when creating your wallet. But contract address, in other hand, is general, is public. Do you get? It's public. So is an address that is assigned to a particular project, a particular crypto project on the blockchain. So it's assigned to a particular project. So because it's assigned to a particular project, every user can make use of it to get access to the token or to the project. Do you get? So it's public. It's public. It's different from your wallet address. Your wallet address is meant for you and is different for every user. So my wallet address is not the same with your wallet address. It's different. That's why when somebody send me token, I'll be able to receive it. Not everybody will receive it. Do you get? So but contract address, in other hand, is very, very different. And you don't send token, like you don't copy contract address and send to someone to send you token. No, you don't do that. So it's only your wallet address that you can copy and send to someone to send you token. So your wallet address serves as your public key, which is, in a layman understanding, your bank account. Do you get? So your wallet address is your bank account that you can share with people, and they will send you token or send you any crypto asset. So with your wallet address, nobody can be able to scam you because it's just like your bank account. Do you get? So how do you copy it on Trust Wallet? Once you open your Trust Wallet, this is the interface you're going to be seeing, guys. So what you should do is tap here. Once you tap there, then you see different wallet address. You can see your Ethereum wallet address, your Bitcoin wallet address, BNB Beacon chain address, BNB smart chain address, any of the wallet address you want to. Once you copy this address and send to someone, the person sends you the token, you'll be able to receive it. So if you click there and you didn't see the particular wallet address you're looking for, just make use of the search bar. Search, for example, let's search for Tone. You can see the Tone wallet address will pop up, guys. So that's it. Then you just tap on it and copy it. It's as simple as that. That's how to copy your contract address. So I hope I was able to explain what the difference is, contract address and wallet address. So in my next video, I'll be showing you how to add missing tokens to your Trust Wallet. So make sure you turn on your notifications to all so that you'll be the first to get that video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.